Okay, so yɛbɛhwɛ how a yɛbɛsi complete. Let's do a recap kakra. Enra, we looked at a lot of things. Yɛhwɛ nneɛma bebree, and it was really amazing. Now, yɛbɛhu say AI, you can't just talk to AI anyhow you want. Untumi mfiti prɛko pɛ nka nkyerɛ AI sɛ build a project ma me without any mistake. And on the back side, I was seeing a choto near pub and you show a chibe 10 because AI no ni wa dream. What you say? Aha, inti no ɛba saa ɛma adwuma no a wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no it doesn't go right. Ɛma no nyɛ kama as to how a bɛsi fa yɛ no. What you say? For the sake of one moment to me and joining nti ma menkyerɛw sɛnea wobɛsi fa ɛnya no ɛwɔ YouTube na bibia e kama mepacho uko youtube.com youtube.com uko youtube.com na wa search for Ike Tech in Tree. Ike Tech in Tree. IKE, so it's going to be IKETECH in Tree. Ike Tech in Tree. There you go. So Endra DNN. So Enra deɛ no na ɛwɔ ha no wɔn a zoom no so they may share my screen no, so they won't be seeing it, but yɛbɛyɛ no no ho adwuma later on. Mepɛ sɛ wɔn a wɔwɔ TikTok ne so no wɔn tumi ehu how mbesi fa search ti wokɔ a na wa subscribe na bibi wa turn on notification because there are a lot of things you can get there. You understand what I mean. Ike Tech channel no so yɛ my mother channel I ɛhɔ no yeah, the global, yeah, the national staff they go. What I say, to wait me a corner, wako search no subscribe na face so no. Wa join in a BBI come. All right, so mebacho obi sound problem for bio man before we start today's edition. But will be a problem for bio. Is there any issue? Mebacho will be a issue for bio. Is there any issue we have to address? Okay, then I think we can call it a day and then we start it out. Okay, so Enra, we saw a lot of things. You said AI is very powerful. With just one command that you demand no, you copy information, you did good, it was able to build something for us. Well, although just as I said, the design you have in mind, AI doesn't have that. AI will need, I mean, you know what? AI doesn't have what you yourself you want to do. Only idea no, only bibia. So, idea will be to me, I say. You picture what you want to do. Idea na opesa wo ye no. Picture. Okay, make us explain it. Nia opesa wo ye na kyerɛ me a. How are you going to do it? This is where the designing aspect comes in. If you really want to be that good using AI to build designing, this is what you have to do. See, AI can only understand frames and arrangements, right? When you come to arrangements, we have alignments, we have paddings, we have margins. These are the things AI understand. Let me explain. So we'll send a picture to my AI. So we'll clone picture no as a website. And from a generate a DB a friend of wireframe, right? A generate a DB a friend of wireframe. AI ne scan a website no. Na a using wireframe. Edi a check it a design na was send ya man so won't clone ma. Na edi a hyehyɛ ne frame and as a capture ne frame no. Okay, but in with her, where you see we and on your friend of wireframe. Enya sadi ni wia. Na fe ahwɛ wo colors. Ahwɛ wo colors wia na eno ankasa calculate the margins and then the paddings between design na what the buy no. Enti eno na be to me ahwɛ so ama watumi enya even not perfect as you want it, something closer to what you want to do. Now, you see, building a website for yourself is different from building for someone who is paying you to do so. There are there are two ways to look at this. Say oh build this site in the amobia. Now what jiska? There are some things you have to understand. We have a lot of styling processes, and I say styling processing, you have to process before you can get a complete workable website, which is amazing and so international. You see, you can't just, I always have to say this: AI is your friend, but he doesn't read your mind. Onim wadwene. So whatever you are doing, talk to the AI. My AI nente nea wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no ase. Say if the AI is understanding your perspective, where you are coming from, and only to determine what you want to do. And see, if the AI is able to determine what you want to do, or best surprise you. I'm telling you, or best surprise you. So young fan 1-1. Maybe because of this session, you've been able to use the AI to project something. You want to use this as your business. You don't really want to build something crazy, but obi business be, obi system, obi platform be, obi portfolio, obi on more a celebrity. You understand? Or person portfolio be ni ate wabao. He wants you to do it for him. And not only in that way, it means you want to use this for, a commercial stuff. And no, you have to understand designing logics. You have to understand designing logics. If you do understand designing logics, these are the things which are going to let you become wow. Now, let me emphasize on these kind of things so you could better understand. So, in designing, you are be afraid of bootstrap. Me patcho mon fan cham ye carpenter for ni mason for. Ni ameke ope kura bit to me the headphone asha wasu no abon metie because we a carpenter ni mason ni na wo yama wanga sa wo dia ni ameke hu hian. Na emum no pese wankasa nkasa nso wo de start business bi nkakra wo fie na wo ye nneoma baku mienu miensa bi di ama boys na wati ase eno ne de nea make wo betumi afa hwe ma menkyere wade bi ye wo designing nneoma bi you have to know. Me person may use any huge terminologies be to explain this. Hey, send me share my screen or hold on. Pause again. Okay, my main share my screen. Okay, I think I have to share the whole screen. Let me share the entire screen. Perfect. Okay, so my share the entire screen. My main and close to some things up. I was working on a project. Let me just do away with them and then let's see. Okay, I think I can write. Nice. Okay, auntie, you see, your wadibia your friend a bootstrap. Ade a bootstrap ne say the build designs our website mo. What you say? The build designs our website mo. Me pacho main dive deep. I'm just make sure be where be pay. I just want you to get the idea on what you want to do, especially if you want to do raw designing. Trust me, if you want to do crazy stuff, you have to understand these things. And yes, I'll build this system and be function 100%, but with design be poor. You see, we a bootstrap, they build the websites. Now, a whole lot of patterns. A way I'll be to me, I integrated their share website more. Ebe come up. Aha yabe. Me mpese wo besua bibia me nye ready se me bekenka akirikiri bibia mu akire wa wo de wo ba ha wo ba ha bra eye example ha umia examples ne so a hwe onso wa ma CDN starter wa ma SAS NJS wa ma hwan wa ma hwan hanom na me pe no aha konfanko aha na me pe no it umia headers ne so a ebechira how many type of headers are be to me use bootstrap at their building. I don't know say if I'm making some sense here. It's going to show you ebechira how many say if you want to use bootstrapper. These are kind of examples you'll be looking at. When we you bootstraps, how a bootstrap ne your friend say the header is it looking like? Amazing. It is a open say we bibi say ya bootstrap bit me amwanya bibi say. Oh, header bit say. I don't know say if I'm really making sense here. Into the same thing open hero sir. You come here. Umia Wiswa, Bema examples of heroes. It will give you amazing stuff. So before say build with design to a standardized level, you've already gotten to know how and what your design is probably going to look like. Please, am I talking to someone? So, o person will build a site now. When hero section. This is called hero section. Hero. Fatu trim hero. These are called hero sections. Hero. When a friend hero. Okay. If you don't want to go, we have features. So site now will build, you just have to understand these kind of things. You have to know, say, okay, me padie bi ahana me kwa kofano, ana me kwa picture what I want to do. No, this is where I'm gonna picture it. You understand? And you see, these people are very clever enough. Say you can even switch from light mode to dark mode to see how it's probably going to look on a dark mode. So doing this is going to give you enough experience on how to get started. Trust me. Obahanma, you get another one, sidebar, my favorite. You see, it gives you different type of sidebar on how if you are building a dashboard, you're building a system which needs a dashboard or something like that. You get it this way. You get it this way. Utuminyani say, come, actually din. Come pa. Oh, Gmail style ni bi no your friend list group no Gmail style ni bi ni where you drop down like a menu drop down where your friend is a menu ya ya hiding kakra. You understand what I mean? And I will see a sidebar I exposed way na a dark mode ni oba forma ni profile Charlie, so you got everything you need. Vibe coding na ye kan wasem no. People don't really know exactly how these things are done. And then I'm uncle for brain. And go for anymore. People don't really know how these things are being done. And go for and share their name. It is a way a vibe coder now, so a vibe coder will build the sites. Eton now this no yeah. You want GTA 6 before release? Let's go to Manos AI. Manos AI, build me a website, build me build me GTA 6, build me one. Now when TT sanko for no I'm fan say wadwene, then you can be able to do something productive. The internet is full of shit. Excuse my language, but I have to let you know. The internet is not everything you see on the internet is necessarily for you to understand and for you to follow along. Many people are full of crap. They come on the internet. They know that if they fool themselves, people will listen. People will follow them. You understand? Yeah, but see, over TikTok and nipa 21 ni 22 crowd thereby. But busa say modudu say na share. Also, this kind of content they share adding. And I don't know why say kukrumuti na ya ni ebu afiri ho. I don't get it. You understand? So oh bro, I'm not quarreling with anybody. I don't even have that time. But you see, I want people to understand the concept on how they want to channel their knowledge to. It may pacho se wo pesa wo dane vibe coder san for no content no ain't to me my one dane vibe coder because obi oye good in prompting no, the person can build literally anything. Ade bia nipa ne pesa o build bia no hwe obe build ama wa kra odwene ho a wonti ase. It may pacho yenhye sa de ne nso enya ade bia okohu ni internet na no wage atum. Okay. Mamen Kinkai a TikTok messages nekakra. How do I join the Google Meet? Sincerely, if you want to join, call me by your name. Ubon say site be that ho ai.afriland.com. O click so and the obako site be me a button so join the group no. O join the group now. Comment will group ni say ma join you. Mon send the link in the mami. Obi be send it there atum. Ewo ho e the amount. What a rumor. Now, Obi kase mami if you omo software development have now been more difficult because now you have to use. I think and enjoy it. See, you have to use a tool that if you don't understand, it will waste your time. Make I pa me share AI ne bas AI ne ba for na me share that you good. It will go lang. Na minya project bi na was me build system bi a ehia lightweight speed and me use Golang masa me say me the AI building no be 10 times me ye pen ma rename no final ebi wo kra bitimi ye the final underscore final final 1 final underscore final final 2 because you know what, I wasn't getting the concept I needed to get, so I was always wasting my time. You understand? Inti site here maybe getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. It gives you enough experience, it gives you enough knowledge on what you are supposed to do. Trust me. Where your footers, every site has a footer. See, it gives you different types of footer. I mean, you love it. Trust me, you love it. You understand? Where your models. When we talk about models, you'll be hearing me talking about models. Me pacho adia me chile we on. Adia nanke wasenka me tumi GOBS kakese because this is what the developers use to do their systems. Ye come models. Model is a prompt. Adibia o prompt na okay. So this is example of a model. So are you sure you want to close? Save changes, close. Are you sure you want to enable this in the settings? Enable. No thanks. What is new? Ebia OBS site bia na pope ade we aba. Yeah, they are the fufuro bi aba. This is a new feature. We have a grid view, we have a bookmark, we have video embed. You know, you click it, great. Thank you. Sign up. On say your site be on my log ubie ya pe na pope aba. Sign up. You see, it has a different type of um um a different type of modals, list groups, drop downs. I can't even go all the way here. Badge. You see, these are all badges. When we badges, you see, when we badges, you can use them if you are building something which really needs your friend is saying a profile and all those kind of stuff. You understand? Where a custom components, albums. If you want to build something like e-commerce, like a news blogging site, something which really arranges something, this is where you can probably look at it. They have second actions, they have main call, they have all these kind of it really looks good. Trust me. So it really looks good. So I want you to have the idea. Say, even if you are a vibe coder, these things you need to know. You need to know. You need to know, bro. If you don't know this kind of stuff, then it's probably going to be difficult for you. You can't get the number of people. I mean, to me, wow, you won't get anybody to do it because AI no send me can design AI can never determine. Okay, we a pricing or build a platform be or what the pricing ship or beton DB or platform so by a subscription and it's annual. This is something you can probably use it. You understand? Okay, yeah, we a checkout. So we a checkout. Ebia or site and all the ton bi so we say ye be use bi or charge for site anymore because who selected book ni we are I was see nya checkout. Oh, check out who choose country, no what choose state, no what zip code, no what select payment method, no what me check out. It is already there. You just have to get the path to it. A whole lot products. Say be a products. You see? Oh, a whole lot. Neoma bebre. You can just go on and on and on and on and on. Bebre. Big grandpa the omoma. RTL. You can RTL right to left. So on say your Arabic intro any be on my a from right to left. Oh, a see. And on your friend on RTL. She said, oh, build the site be nani panica say, chale me here RTL or patch let's say right to left. Na ɛsɛ ntwerɛeɛ no hyɛ aseɛ firi right ɛde kɔ left fa to tiri mu na vibe coders nyinaa hia saa nkɔmmɔ wei. It's not meant for only developers. Oh, it's not mepakyɛ obi ajoin ne platform no momfa link ne nto mu ma no na on join ne madaroma pakyɛ momfa link ne nto mu ma no obi ajoin ne ɛyɛ WhatsApp group no pakyɛ mo mu baako mfa link ne nto mu ma no na on join ne. You see into right to left ne bi ni ma menkyɛ wo ha. Right to left in a bini, mami accepting your banakakra wadaroma. Right to left in a bini. So on say Arabic in Chloe, if you right and a call left. Into RTL, a chesa right to left. And now LTR, a chesa left to right. Into left to right, and any a yen ye use. Me pacho tio, nankan sem we are ye Canadian care found home bang. Oh, but me pesa would take nationality concept nasi. So these are very important. You have to know. Okay, so where your friend bootstrap. Me sa de ba ko be kan. Me de ba edos bebre ba ma menfa ba kon kan. Me de ba ko e ba be kan. Me de ba ko be kan. Sa ba ko na me de be kan. Your friend Tailwind. 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 Your friend Tailwind. Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is very powerful. I won't lie. See, this guy is a crazy guy. When we talking about designing and your bootstrap depending Tailwind, trust me, this guy is crazy. Tailwind is crazy. Trust me. This guy, he's crazy. But trust me, I can show you things this thing can do. Show. Let me show you. Yanko showcase. Let's do some little bit of showcasing. Maybe mame accept a obiwa. Oh, these are examples of sites which Tailwind CSS has been able to do. Mame nchira wadie. Mawode meba. Tailwind ebini. It's going to show me example of how Tailwind CSS can build your site and make your site wow. And come makes it Tailwind ni bootstrap. You understand? So you see how beautiful the animation is, smooth it is. You see her dashboard. Oh, make her come for Razi. Oh, dashboard. This thing can make your day happy. Bet me am work kodi na chese okra e kom kra ne. Tailwind is very good. Trust me, I won't lie. Tailwind is serious. So nya yeba be say me ye be use Tailwind. Look at how beautiful this is. See, amazing. So awesome. My man Sanchez will be what do you meba me bebre obahanama almost a lot of examples are on my building. Look at this, just look at this, very amazing. You see, very nice, very nice. So I love to use Tailwind a lot, which I really love. Now Adiabako would like to talk about it and say yɛwɔ nneɛma bebree and on mean to mean unless those who are willing to dive into this, use this as their daily hand chop. Omo mpese umunya saadie we di your business. And ebi a metumi aka ɛho asɛm de akyerɛ wɔ mo. The reason being ne sɛ meka sɛ meka wɔ ha yɛ nkɔnnɛ ɛna bebree wɔ hɔ nom ɛho nhyɛ da nhia wɔ mo kae. Me sɛ nnɛ yɛ ne a ɛwɔ so yɛyɛ carpenterfoɔ. Yɛnhia saa watimi waka me ne nyinaa bi. Yɛyɛ carpenterfoɔ. Okay. So yeah, Baba share how I basically use it. Oh yeah, you know what? Just go through the catalogs, go through their showcasing. You can do a whole lot. Ube to me check it. Omo ni omo mo nyina. Omo baby a ube to me anya buttons. Omo baby a binya your friend is saying how do I say this? UI kits. Yeah, UI kits. They have a lot of UI kits, buttons. Nice dashboard, beautiful looking, amazing looking. You see, very, very powerful. You see, they have drop downs, they have a whole lot, switch and all that. This is like Bootstrap, but when you penny in Bootstrap, you understand. So let's head over to today's edition. Now for Yenshe. So Enra, we were able to build something amazing, and it was crazy. It was really, really amazing. You understand? It was really, really amazing. Now, se ubie eye wo open code ni mo a, let me tell you some things you're probably going to notice. On says sroha for the bida. Maybe I just want to say for the bida. Oh, now, sa folder is going to open the directory where your source code is, where your files are. So me double click I am inside this directory. So these are my files system build it. And there are two ways you can run this. Open source running project now is either you run it here inside their inbuilt terminal, which I would probably recommend because when you're aerobia, you just copy it from here, then you give it to the AI to do it. Maybe I'm John Mabel. All right, move on, Chemipa. So from what terminal, no, all you have to do is just type npm install. Npm letter N, letter P, letter N. I a friend you know. Letter P, I a friend no plant. Letter M, I a friend mango. Into npm install. install install. Near you say installing new packages build the website. To say installing you are good to go. Right. Say me and mommy error because project mini project in folder the portfolio shop. So I was saying me call portfolio shop to CD portfolio hyphen shop. CD portfolio hyphen shop. CD portfolio hyphen shop. Ned we rush shop ni. Now, edu rema me patcho folder ni din o enkobo CD portfolio hyphen shop o. Bo folder ni din folder say wo mu dada so there. I mean you are good to go. What do I say? Me patcho mo ntime gastel. Set me voice na ba o. Me patcho mo ntime ga. Okay. Enti ura enunimu a na wabo npm run dev. npm run dev. npm run dev. Now ebeyi address bi wɔ ha ma wo. Saa address wei fa wɔn nsa si control wɔ keyboard no so na mia so. Umia so a ebebie ɛde ama wo ha. So you see, this is website I build Enra. And yes, of course, na ewo payment method. Ye the mobile money payment ehye mu. Yenko mobile money payment near hese ye yenko shop. Oh, okay, so this is it. Yemia buy 70 Ghana. Yem fill information near her. Near your phone number ni shim. Yemia I agree. Oh, phone number ni valid. +23355013806. Near more I agree. Pay now. Okay, Enrani if you see error way failed to initialize payment. Try again. Yebeshe no. But before we look at it, we want to start working on the designing. Right. And what I want to do is I want to transform this into a dark mode style. I want to do it like, a dark mode style. Yeah, but designing. I say what I'm first going to tackle is the theme. Maybe switch everything to dark mode. After me, we are not targeting in kakrakra. Me di can targeting nav bar and a footer. You see, me targeting in kakrakra nav bar and a footer. So let's get started. What I'll do, then I say, me call me open code name. Now from open code, no, I'll just give it a command. What am I mean? So she open code need to dark mode. What am I using? Say, I'll just say, more command, maybe catch and say, let's use that kind of style of Tailwind CSS, which has that nice dark mode design and with nice dark gradient styling color in your website. Let's adopt that and turn this website entire design to be a tailwind modern styling website. You see, I just gave it a command just like that, and I'm about enter. You see what it's going to do? I think it's already the project is already using Tailwind CSS already. I think so. I think so. Me sure pass it a use Tailwind CSS. Mame had you umia sa side way. I think they no na buy. Mame had tree. Oh yeah. I never opened the main project within this one, but it's all good. I just wanted to let you see something, but it's fine. Enti makatwe no, say all night task or see edin kind or be install Tailwind CSS because you see mini Tailwind CSS. I think it was using Bootstrap or so. Inti afina ebe install Tailwind CSS. We are now a rewrite global styles. We are now rewrite components. We are now a rewrite common component. This is a button, headers, mano. You understand? This yeah, I refresh back. I back until I refresh it. Mama, I back until site and I refresh. You see, on sa say on sa say kunyano. Yes, kunyane ba. You see how beautiful it will build the site. Hey, say if I don't know what Tailwind CSS does, minima the cry friend the Tailwind CSS, minim what it does, how will I be able to do this? You understand? How will I be able to do this? Now we're going in for nine to-dos at the same time. Let's go in for question and answers. But question I'll be to me busa. TikTok now pesa obaso na ubusa question but you be to me busa. E kwan da ho. Ekon mame ntonka.
Yes, I once na OPA as a right side, maybe a wedding thing or right side no. As a media no MBA sir.
You talking about this side?
Yeah, yeah. I
Oh,
feel, but there's no section maybe I'll type one.
Asia Hanum no.
Yeah, the north right side no, yeah.
Oh, ka terminal no. Terminal no na o kana.
Okay.
Adie we na o ka ha na o ka.
Yeah, but you know ma.
Yeah, nti on baby am sure say folder bi wo no. Mia
Yes.
folder no so. Wobɛhu PowerShell. So wobɛhu PowerShell mia so. Umia
Okay.
PowerShell na ebebie terminal foforɔ de ama wo, I guess so. Anya saa nso a kɔ file,
I'm say request failed.
view, kɔ file, view, toggle terminal, file, view, toggle terminal. You see, toggle terminal. Pacho wahu, oko
Okay.
file, view, toggle terminal.
About file view. Okay.
Wahu, umia so ebeba.
Yeah,
Aba. Okay,
yeah.
yes. Any other question? Pacho obi or question fufurobi. Yes, obi or question fufurobi. What is the name of the website? Tailwind. I think just go to Google and search Tailwind, and I said Tailwind CSS. What AI builder is that? I'm new here. We are using open code to do this. This is a 2 days training we are having on how to use AI to build your own portfolio site, host it for free, and use it anyhow you want it to be. Yeah, Godwin, I think I have explained right now. Yes. All right. Rewrite it. So we just have to give it time. It is rewriting 22 pages components. 22 pages. 22 pages in a rewrite it. But your questioner, bisa, especially more and more Zoom meeting so no. Questioner bisa. Challenge be a me na yɛnhwɛ ne yɛmmoa wɔ saa kwan no so.
Hello, hike.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, me bacho Endra baby Adrian no na to do list no tama na load no. Yeah, me made na load every but then didn't mean you be na activity site no.
Brabie mu kasa no na sɛ wɔakyiri kakra.
Me bacho me say
Brabie mu kasa na wɔakyiri kakra. Afei mete wo nka. Yeah.
Yeah, na me say Endra baby end no tama na to do list no na load no. Yeah, I think immediately upon class na me then load the but I'm stuck on how do I activate the site.
How you mean how you will run the site?
The site, yes.
Okay. Nti the same computer no na wɔde yɛ adwuma no anaa?
Me bacho ane.
Okay. Share wo screen no na mehwɛ na memmoa wo.
Okay.
Yeah, share my main stop me screen sharing, not share with you.
Okay.
All right, share screen on the area. Okay. Nti kɔ saa file hɔ no on say file at the top left corner.
Yeah.
Like so na call view. View.
View. Okay.
Toggle terminal.
Toggle terminal. Okay.
Okay. Nti terminal na ebi ama no. But ls
Yeah.
da me hwɛ adeɛ. ls.
LS.
ls. Now but enter. LS, just LS.
LS. Like this.
Yeah, now but enter. Okay, so I was say wura portfolio shop nim because we need portfolio shop nim. Enti mia but CD space portfolio hyphen shop. Send your who baby a length name no one CD portfolio hyphen shop. CD space portfolio no enfambom. CD space portfolio hyphen shop. Hyphen shop. Yeah, but enter. Yes. Afe obebo NPM run dev. NPM N letter N no. M letter M mango. P NPM P letter ebia
Sorry.
plantain. N
NPN.
N in the other way around. NPM NPM
NPM.
run dev. Space run dev.
Management space. Okay.
Run. No
Run.
about space.
After run, another space.
Another space.
Okay.
No about dev. DEV.
GEV.
Nabo enter.
Chama boy and responded. Okay.
So NPM no is not recognized in the shop. That means it's a won't install in Node.js. Enra ohwe kwan a your first one you install in Node.js. What you mean install it?
Solution.
But node dash v na me ha there. Node dash v na me ha. Enfambom. Node space dash v. Dash v
Like that.
dash v dash nini v ni bom.
Okay.
Nabo enter
Same
ni
enter.
here. Node yeah or any node. Only install a node. The node no sign install in for because of time ninety. Say when we install ya we are corner circle video ni bio. Ewo YouTube.
Okay.
Na follow na for download. Why?
Got you.
Okay. All right. Tianto aso. But you bet me a stop screen sharing. No. Enti meyanto aso. I think say ewie. I think say ewie. Okay, Tara, hope so can be biana. Tara, hope so can be biana. Okay. Yeah, yeah, tonka.
Yeah. Let me just remove editing stack now will be man. It doesn't use VS Code, so I was just
Yeah. A open code. Open code. Open code.
okay.
Yeah, what's actually
So
open code? Go ahead.
Okay, so we know any job will be about running through. No, it just save the file in the folder, right?
Exactly. It's working like Keza, but this time it's an IDE without a working space.
Okay.
So you just
like
prompt it, and then it allows you to do whatever you want to do.
Okay, I said the GLM for you on the Z.ai style.
Yeah. So now I'm going to start designing my system. Pacho mum pay attention wa pa. See, my client or Sajifo, I'm in the requirement. So I have my requirements and I have how my system is probably going to be like. And I'm going to explain to you what I'm talking about. Just as I said, you have to picture something. Ewo w'ani so. Ewo sɛ wo picture bibi. Ewo w'ani so. Now to me, we say, okay, this is what I want to do. Adeɛ wei ne adeɛ a mepɛ sɛ meyɛ. So, ɔsagyefo ɛma me this design, yeah. A ɔpɛ sɛ no na ɛyɛ ne hero ɛsoro ha. So, ɛsoro ha. So, adeɛ a mɛyɛ ne sɛ ma copy image no. I'll just go to my chat GPT, yeah. Me run my chat GPT. Or you can open chat GPT anywhere. Chat GPT anywhere. Maybe chat GPT. Maybe I mean log in. I can decide not to log in. But I think maybe I will my log in that. I don't know. But maybe oh yeah, I mean log in. So I can just add this image here. You search for patron more head trick, no. You search for the mommy now. You see, this one has everything on it. So Rebecca said, I want to use Tailwind CSS to design this hero section. I already have the background image, but I want you to give me a prompt on how I will tell my AI to do it exactly as you see in the image, whilst I already have the image of the background in my public directory. Share. Also, me see in my public directory no braha obaha mia saa we ne so na select the files and folder de obaha be a portfolio shop ni. This is public directory. On say folder bi dem a ya no public. On say public bi da ha. On say public way. O be a public ni ma. This is where you have to add your image. You understand the picture? So me ankasa per se no osaje fo ama me picture baako. O ma me way any the background I need. Way any the background I need. Oh, he gave me what I needed. So amami example and I was so amami the background. So I'll just download this background to a certain place. You understand? So I just click on save as. My main fan call me downloads. I'll just click on it. Now let me come to my downloads. Me bad downloads are before I will send the prompt to know me bad downloads are then nama rename way a friend of background. You see background. Now for background way no my copy. I'll just copy the basic stuff. Me copy and me the better public folder we good. Now me nya me background in ini. Okay, yanko chat GPT. And some now public directory and it is called background, which is the image. Now I'm about enter. You see, ChatGPT be analyze image, you know. Now I'm me an actual prompt. You see, so on your or the mama waha. Ti wa mame navigations, you know, or the navigation na mame, or the one mame, sa neoma we mu nyina navigation ni nyina me here navigation, no. You understand? Me here to make a chance say I already have the navigation, and also the project is already in progress. So don't say build also can say create pixel perfect hero. Oh, I know cry is enough. So make me I can say I already have navigation in the project. So don't add the navigation. Now I me prompt for. I just want another prompt or something any. Oh, I already have my React Tailwind blah blah blah. Do not your task blah 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 requirement. One I mean background folder one or the name na ama me. Eti me pa me catch them say just copy all of them. You see, copy all of them. Command na fabra. Afi bra wo pro where eh my confused. Bra code open code ni be paste wa paste. Or the can say do this for my hero section. Na bra from na paste ni awo ten ni nyina ten paste nabo send. Now what it's going to do is trying to get you an exact replica of nea osagefo edemame. Pacho what I say? Nea osagefo edemame no is trying to get me exact replica of it. You see, so it's trying to shell it up. It's trying to remodify. It's trying to perfect it. It's trying to make it work. You understand? Share how it can turn this into a magical thing. So we just hoping for it. All right. I think sir mame share obi or question obetumi abusa. Obi or question obetumi abusa, which is quite good. Yeah, maybe I show a question I'll be to me page on some platform nim na me hu say. Okay, bright agree. But your mammy too.
Yeah, mine is not a question.
Okay.
Your screen, we were not seeing your screen, so I wanted to prompt you.
Really?
Yes.
Please, why you not seeing my screen?
But you will see it.
Yeah, so I think you have to check your site. Maybe you've clicked somewhere and you are not seeing it anymore.
Let me check. I'm seeing you, but I'm not seeing this.
Oh yeah, so I hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's pinned, so it should be able to show. So check, maybe you've clicked somewhere.
I have it now.
Okay, right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's still running. It's trying to install some package, npm packages. We just wait for it. We don't have any problem with that. We are just waiting for it. We are just waiting for it. It's adding some global CSS to it. Let's just wait and see the outcome of it. All right. Okay. Bradex, do you want to say anything? I mean, I want to know. Send a meeting and pick you up. Do you want to ask any question? Yeah, Taran Pachomamitio. Let me hear you. Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. So I love this thing. What is happening right now? Go back. Please hold on for me.
So you see how beautiful the thing has transformed into? Awesome. Really amazing. But there is a problem which I want to address. One, the texts are too many. Oh, so make us say and summarizing no. NASA 10 years the position no at the far right corner side. You see at the far right side. And as I mean, the orange in ye ewo enjoy so maybe I just send you a cast here pen and yes, I need the same thing. So you see the prompting is what you want to achieve. Give the AI example. If you have the design space you want to do it, just give it, that kind of feel. You understand? Just give it that kind of feel. I can see so Saji for Odisikatum Prada. You understand? Osaji for Disikatum Prada. And you know what? Let's transform all the buttons to match our gold buttons. But this time, let's find something like, a gradient wish gold be and something like that. Okay, let's go by straightforward. You need time, baby. Your time we need. It's young country to say, the text and the description on the hero are too many, and it is taking more height. Also, move the move the 10 years of experience. Move the 10 years of experience to the far right side and position it very well. We just want to observe it and then look at how it's going to be. Okay. Yeah, Taran, Pacho Kasanamichi. Go ahead.
Okay. So based on the hero, no,
Go ahead.
maybe you are trying to build a real estate project for somebody. Instead of using a picture, some of them will be happy. Say, you use something like a video, like an animation video. It could be maybe a door opening, and then once you hover the mouse, you could see that it's acting at the back, doing something. Say,
Why then I'm new share be a now person man trouble, sir? What the woman just switch
my
Okay, so Taran, where the you are. Your point, yeah, Don Simon. To sister, na so they so yeah. Who the minimum? They mean can was some bra. I don't go fit talk self. I know that. To the odim, I will teach you how we do it. Yeah, well, platform be on ma. You use what is called scroll animation, right? You design a scroll animation. Now a generative JavaScript code at the amount. So you give that JavaScript code to the AI, telling the AI to let it follow along with your scroll. But a complex. It is. Trust me, it is complex.
So
It is
in my
complex.
case,
And to the no, don't worry. Your point about why?
sound
What do you mean?
you better get along with us. Okay, what am I?
Oh yeah, nothing so far as who more to nene who don't see money baba the problem be any. Obi obeji bi ase we aja ni pa no se bi ana ne don't see money ready. How will you know? But so what any bo?
Oh,
Actually, okay, so say ene dear mommy, sincerely, I never loved it. Many anjo. In fact, I don't love it. I don't like it. So this is what we're going to do. Yenyi 10 years of experience in freehold. Yeah, once a year twisting on. Remove the 10 years of experience from there and position the subtext at the right side and move. No. Mamenya ne say, me pesa me de way, me pesa me de way. You know what? Let's make it clean and simple. Yan kan chen so onyi way free ho. Onyi way free ho. Ne yamani yi way soon free ho. Yamani yi we design. Oh my God, I'm actually confused. So this is what we're going to do. Yabaka chen so onyi 10 years in free ho. Now onyi subtitle in free ho. So Yabaka chen say remove the sidebar from the side and also the long subtext from there so that the button can be right after the last gold text. Okay, let's see magic it can do. You heard the magic it can do. You heard magic be a bit to me. Let's just observe. Yeah, observe near. Now you know what? Here we are. I'm going. Oh, you were free. hwɛ ma menkyerɛ mu adeɛ bi ɛnɛ deɛ asɛ meyi me secret ni nyinaa gu hɔ nom o asɛ meyi secret ni nyinaa gu hɔ. You see, ɔsagyefo maame ne picture medical catch say oh build a system, you have to know what you want to do. Osagyefo de the picture maame, which of course I'll be using that picture. So I will download the picture. Yeah, on the send ameka so onye no why you ba what intro any mum no akwa abane ade na bade sa yin free. So I copy all of them. So Rebecca say remove this section from the right side. Nani ame copy here me de actually ne say entweye we and I see remove akwaba we transform blah 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 remove ifri ho. Now whilst eyi we free ho no yenko baabi a ye friend of photopia photopia no aye no ho baabi a okay wonim yenko photopia kra ye beko remove bg remove bg ye the remove background color. So my main come downloads. Yeah, I'll just go to my downloads. Me was search for picture. Oh, very nice, very gentle man, very, very, very international man. What you say? So there are two ways we can do this. One, I can easily open this. So we use Windows 11. This is the best way to do it. Click edit. From editing, all you have to do, just click on background. Name me at this remove. Oh, remove now. Say remove. This is the most shortest way to do this. You understand? So I just click on here, save as a copy. My main friend on person.png. May they cut downloads. Perfect. May save as person.png. So my main minimize it. Now I can move this or copy this into my public folder. Some kind public folder. I'll move it into my public folder. Now let's see the job it did. Yeah, oh, a year free. Perfect. Amazing. International. Now you know what we're gonna do. Uni mi baby. Ma menchira wadie. After yen can try to say from where from the right side, let's add the image in the assets in the public folder called person. This is the actual person of this site. Bro, no, this is the actual owner of this site. Position it well and style it to have some styled. No, the mommy ya say no. Yeah, no one. We grab it later. But you can't just on site in the end until or the sa image ne ba beto ha. Next yenya osagefo image no ewa ha. Na osagefo de ya na me share antennas. Me boss pa man picture. Black and white the boss me ntiase o me I know they like the black and white. Oh boss cham for
Color 8.
And one with your permission.
Color 8. Put it in
Color
ChatGPT.
this image.
Put it in ChatGPT. Put it in ChatGPT quickly. Never hero picture, no virtual side by side. Never ChatGPT say on my picture when yet say hero picture. On
Yeah.
picture not to the hero, but they blended the two of them. Just do that 10 seconds.
Yeah, one issue about generating a design. Also that I can modify isn't available in the chat unless you are logging. I ain't go for way per side way. Batch of mommy log in real quick. Just am a login. Aside from when it comes to website design and our own, one thing we don't do is we don't put images on designs. So it's because of responsiveness. What I say, like
I get it.
The responsiveness, yeah.
What I said, you didn't understand.
Okay, now mommy the look of it.
That's it. We want it to blend with the hero background, right? That's what you wanted. You
No.
want the color of my picture to blend with the hero background. So we'll just do that. We'll just do that and bring it. Let me do it and I'll send it to you. Give me 10 seconds.
I just also a position put that put. But our mom is some border B I don't like the border. Mempe border. No? So I'll just tell it that good, but remove the border around it. Now I can try to say and let it be in a nice designed circle, which the most top of the image will be designly stay out of the circle, and the down part will be in the circle, where that down part will be shaped according to the circle design. Okay, yɛnhwɛ mepɛ sɛ na wahyɛ ase wayɛ circle nti ɔbɛma ɔsagyefo ti no apia abɔnten kakra na sɛ ɔsagyefo body no ɛhyɛ circle no mu na ne soro kakra no apie. I don't know say if you cut the picture I'm talking about. Egu so ɔyɛ n'adeɛ. Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, person my training try. So I'll just say, good, but make the image and the circle design very big enough.
All right, new image sent.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. The woman now blend it into the background. Oh, I get it.
Simple. That's all.
I understand now. Oh, but this one is this is not bad. Oh, hey, this is very powerful. What's your color correction, color grading now? What's your color grading now? Hi, there's that AI there. It's serious. Oh. Wow. Hey. Okay. It's fine, you know. It's fine. Let's see to it. Okay, I can see it. Come on. Okay, you keep on saying now. What we want to do is we want the height of we want it to be adjustable. Then we set a size because no matter how you make it big, still you see, the size is not that much encouraging. So what we're going to tell the AI, let me say, for the height of the hero, let's give it a fixed size so that section way ahead. Okay, let's just say so that we can adjust it, Okay. Yeah, sure. Me comment. I think it's a more catchy picture. Me share that waste time, baby. ɛwɔ aha no nko a menhyɛ da waste time bebree. I'll just move forward. Mepɛ sɛ try na ɛyɛ saa deɛ no nti ɛbɛtwe wei ni mu wobɛhu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ ketewa kakra afei ɛbɛnya a specific size. Sɛ hwɛ wakɔ sɛ ɛma adeɛ no you see ɔn sɛ manka neɛ ɛwɔ so ɔyɛ ni nti adeɛ no a na ɛwɔ ase a kamakama ɔn sɛ wakɔ sɛ no so ɔn sɛ wakɔ sɛ no ɛna ɛyɛ a ne yɛka no nti yɛka kyɛn sɛ anyway, there was a set of design sections below part of the hero, and you have removed it and replaced with something else. Restore that. Okay. Ubi on te size no so keke no. Wakoyi saa deɛ na ne ɛwɔ ase a ne fi. Eti ne yɛka prompting ho asɛm no. If you don't take care of prompting, there are a lot of things you mess it up. The prompting there, trust me, is very, very important. Yeah, also see, yeah, you are right. I completely overrode the original Tech Portfolio Hero. Let me restore it. Tiebe restore the actual one. Na afe edeme sami design no abreme wa ha back. Yebe jai hero no wa ha. But I hope say you guys are getting the picture. You are getting how the designs can be worked on. Yeah. Yenhwe mebesenka owie hero na all these other sections ne de enyeding is not going to be difficult cry at all enyeding. But we just tell it to do the job. It's going to do a clean job. Then we are good to go. Okay. Nah, still now I'm farmer. I made her image, you know. Where was it? Yeah. So at the end now why you don't any and then the was ya. But just some kai sadi we. Small sadi we. Sadi we na AI na yira no. Why yira sadi we. So ni amen se me copy. Na mako chat GPT. Me try the straightforward way. They are called chat GPT. They are catching say where was I prompting? Yeah, I was prompting it here. Away. Oh, I was prompting it somewhere. And I'm my close no. Oh yeah, no, I'm logging in. Okay, so make a trying to say I had a website hero containing this, but my AI accidentally removed it from my hero button. Get me a prompt to restore it. Okay. Wama me the full so me copy restore. Now my call back to Aquaway. Now me the amano. After you obey to me and restore it back. So this is how we do hand in hand. Where you say unye developer, you are just trying to use AI to do all these kind of things. Also, the issue is overflow, hidden, blah 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 blah. We don't care. Yeah, that's all we need. So let's wait for it to do it. Then we see. Oh, nice. Asan restore. Manka. Onza restore the amaye. Come on. Just and one no. I restore ne come on. Last thing. Make a trailer. Now let's add some animation to the sections when scrolled or opened, so it looks good. Okay, so ebema site no animation. Ti you want me refresh ya na senia enjoy any si buy no want no search for image na so scroll ya bem kakra mi ko form say no na we mu no na ewura mu say na design ni ewura mu na na ewura mu na ekoba na ewura mu sa just like that. All right. You know how things are going to go. Okay. Now clean up unused imports. It's going to do all those kind of job. All right, Patrol. Any question whilst it's working? Hey, where we in Bo? Yeah, hey. Okay. Oh wow, he's sending away in the buy. Simon sending away in the buy. Hey, Simon. ADF. Patrol Simon. Hey. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Now Yen say. Now we have to style the navbar, and instead of blue color, let's adopt our gold color for all buttons and other blue colors. Yemra next command. Yepasi ye we mu nyina preko. All the sections in the home page to needs amazing designing, premium styling, and better animations too. After sadie we your friend emoji icons. Sadie we AI pay too much. Your friend emoji icons. Name your icons be on my friend of font awesome icons. We are my favorite. Font awesome icons, yeah, icons be and then I'm using at the building most of my sites. To person site to look at premium, always try to use font awesome icons. You see all these icons, very, very clean, very, very neat. See, very, very clean and neat. Yeah, catch it. Change all emoji icons across the site and use font awesome icons. For every image we have, use free online stock image so that the link won't be broken. Just like that. Because I will share a site now. Also, see a bus, Yahanama. Waymo, so Waymo is broken. Into links, no. Links, so browser images nimbi. To me say on online images na bia, the internet images na bia no fan replace. So I mean, nti see ano adwuma oye no or be fix it saa esro ha. I work with me we no gold color. You understand? Or be any gold color. Or any gold color ni we are. Now fi wa ba ase ha we mu no be style na fufo. We about me. Ubo so no abekwa akofo sarge full image no e de aba be sha ha. We tech experience we mu nyina obesesa no obe styling na kama pa ono abe styling very 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 kama na say ekoye ni ma ne sa na say ekoye ni. Yes, me pacho obi wo comment bi na pacho wo question bi a be say ubusa asha ase ye na dwuma it is doing the job, you see ye na dwuma ebe ye ni nyina it will do all of them. But your question bi obi wo question But Obi or question. Obi or question. Yes, any question? And at the time they be juma. About 8:40 pepe pa baby I made you biano. Me pause. Na ya hwe how ye betumi. Okay. All right, but will be any question bia? Say will be any question bia? Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh, animation. So animation. Very clean. Also changing all those icons ni nyina no site no enkwan bem. You see, it's now becoming premium. It's now becoming premium. You see, we're changing all those emoji icons. We're replacing with a very very nice icons. You see, with a nice hover effect and all that. Anyway, I bet share that to the book. I hear all the sections ni nyina. Come on. I know what. I'm a hover effect in very, very, very nice. And now I find the images from the internet. Now they replace. So let's give it a time. Okay. A call out of 6 to do's. I think every one. I say a replace all blue with gold, blah 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 blah.
Ike, are you recording the screen?
Yes, I'm recording everything.
Are you able to pause that one, save it, and then record again to continue so that the videos are nice and short?
Well,
Once a year can still recorded.
yeah.
Then you continue recording again from when it's finished loading. So
There's a bus I was saying, short.
And yet too short, but once a way a cheaper. So can you imagine you are loading all this video onto YouTube and somebody has to go through them? Or
I'm looking at it how I just say you uploading here in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, sir.
yeah, that's not bad.
Okay. My man here from where I'm recording it. Where is it? Okay. Hey, we've gone like 1 hour 30 minutes already.